For a number of you, I know that this is probably the first bear market in the crypto space that you've probably ever seen. And every time a bear market happens, there's something very interesting that happens, right? All the coins that you would have seen in the top of the list, the big stars of that bull market that was preceding that bear market, would most likely not be there towards the end of the next bull market, right? So what I've done is try to analyze this in a very objective way, and I've collected data. So I've gone to this thing called the Wayback Machine. You can actually go back to see websites from a prior date. So I'm looking at 3rd of December 2013, and if you look at 3rd of December 2013, Bitcoin was at this is the coin market cap from that day. Bitcoin was at the top of the list, obviously, followed by Litecoin and Purecoin, Namecoin, Quarkcoin. Have you ever heard of any of these Feathercoin and whatnot? Right? Names, some of these names you have never even heard of. Right? That's what the crypto world was of like 10 years ago. Right? Then I looked at what happened after the 2017 bull market. Right? What is the 2017 bull market? Who are the top 10 in the 2017 bull market? And you'll see some familiar names, right? Like Ethereum and whatnot. Right? Then I took the 2021 bull market that you have today, and finally, the top 10 cryptos as of today, all of these, and I put it on into the sheet, right? So it's easy for you to understand. So these are the top 10 cryptos from the year 2013, 2017, 2021, and 2023. And if you look at it, Bitcoin is probably the only one that has survived these 10 years, right? Very interesting. And the only other one that has survived probably two bear markets right now is Ethereum, and it is still at the second spot right now in 2023. And beyond this, there is no other crypto that has survived since 2017, right? So from 2013 to 2017 to now, only one crypto has survived. From 2017 bull market to now, only three, and from 2021 to 2023, only 6 of these cryptos are still in the top 10, in the list. So you can see Ethereum there. I will discount Tether USDC and BUSD because they're all stable coins. But broadly, this is what it means. And what is the big takeaway for you here? It means that in a bull market, there could have been amazing cryptos that were going up, all the hype around it and so on. But will they survive for the next bull market? Maybe not, right? Most likely not. In fact, because if you look at it, some 80%, 90% of them will not even be there in the top 10. What are you supposed to do about such cryptos? Well, identify such cryptos and sell, right? Sell it off because there is no point in holding it. You might as well invest it into coins that are much stronger. Right? And one such crypto that I want to talk about today is Solana. Solana was a darling of the investors, darling of everybody. Right? It just kept going up and up and up in price, and today it is 94% or 95% down from its all-time high. Right? Solana was the giant so-called Ethereum killer and whatnot, but here we are. Right? Why I think Solana will go down? Let's start with this. Right? DeFi Llama, which tracks how much total value is locked and other liquidity-related metrics. In that, if you look at Solana's TVL, it was something like $10 billion or so, and that dropped and dropped and dropped, and today we are at like 200 or something, $220 million. That's like 98% or 99% drop from its all-time high. The liquidity is just gone. People are fleeing Solana. Then there is the tokenomics, right? Now the FTX saga sort of brought out a lot of skeletons from the cupboard, so to say, and Alameda, which is a sister company of FTX, has something like 10% of all staked cryptos of Solana, which means that to pay back investors, most likely all of these staked cryptos of Solana will be sold off and the price is going to crash further. Then there is another interesting thing that's been happening. Right? In the last 2 weeks, Solana's top NFT projects like DGODs and Y00Ts, they migrated chains to Polygon. This is very interesting because these are projects that account for like almost 50% of the NFT traffic or so, or 50% of the NFT value, as far as I'm aware. Big projects like these are fleeing Solana. They're going to other projects. Then there is the whole Serum exchange. Serum was something that where Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX had a big big stake in, and that exchange is completely defunct following the collapse of Alameda and FTX. Uh, in fact, there are several Solana ecosystem projects. Many of them are dubbed as SAM coins, so to say. Many of these, which are today collapsing, the money is going out of Solana into other projects, and I feel that Solana, which was here the sixth largest crypto in the 2021 bull market, I think by the next bull market, it might not even be in the top 50. Forget about, being in the top 10, right? And if you're holding on to any Solana, it might be a great time to sell. And in fact, I listed down many more reasons in a very detailed video I made about Solana a long time earlier to tell you why Solana is not as great as a crypto as it sounds. You can watch that. It's probably flashing on your screen, and it's also in the description. You can click on that and watch that video as well to understand in depth why I think Solana is a very shitty project and you should probably exit it, because it's not going to be there in the top 10 or even in the top 50 anytime soon in the next bull run, or by the next bull run. Having said that, hope you like this video. Do like and share this video, tell your friends about it, and welcome to the Wave Crypto Club. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos.